Hey guys, my name is Priscilla Elias and I hope you're doing fine. Are you? Because if you're not, today I might bring a little sunshine to your life. That's right! Today I'll teach you how to create sunlight in your photo using Photoshop. Intro! As many of you know, I'm Brazilian and maybe for that reason, maybe not, I love the sun. Just as much as I love the sun, I love catching the sunlight in my photos. It's so nice to see how many different ways there are to capture beautiful photos involving sunlight. But the truth is, sometimes you want the sun in your photo, but it either does not come out on the day of your shoot, or you're out there shooting at the wrong time of the day. That's exactly what happened when I shot these photos, all of them taken in Dublin, where I used to live before I came to Sweden. There were not many sunny days on the island, so if I wanted the sunlight in my photos, many times I had to create it myself. So today I will teach you how to easily create your own sunlight in Photoshop. In order to do that, I decided to go out there to take some new shots with this idea in mind. So after going out there and taking some shots, this is the photo I wanted to work with. My intention is to place the sun right over here, as the light in this photo is coming from here. This is the first important step when you want to create sunlight in your photos. Make sure the direction of the light is correct. An easy way to do it is, if it's a cloudy day, make sure that even though the sun is behind the clouds, that you will place it in your photo in the same direction you would be if it was out. Or if you're shooting indoors or using flashes, make sure you have a source of light hitting your subject in the same direction the sunlight you will place in your photo. That is what will avoid your photo from looking fake. Okay, so you will open your photo in Photoshop and you'll find a light leak or something like that. I have these two that I bought in a lights pack about a year ago, so I'm gonna try this one out. I'll select this with the rectangular marquee tool, Command C, Command V. Now this is the way you'll see it here. So what you do is, here in layers, you will change this to screen. And once you've done that, you'll hit Command T, and then you can adjust this here. So I will put my sun over here maybe. I think this looks good, but you know, you can play with this. You can also make this bigger, which is something I will do. Enter, and this could be done, but you can do more to it. You can add a second layer. For example, I separated this one here. Let's try it out. Maybe you want some more light, I don't know. So here, screen again, Command T. Okay, and then I can change the opacity here, so I don't need it to be that bright. Hit enter. I prefer it without this one, but you can play with layers. And yeah, this is it, as simple as that. Now I'll just color grade it in Lightroom. That is it. Not that hard, huh? As I said, the secret here is to have the light in the correct direction in your photo. If you have that, you can just follow the steps I showed you and you can create beautiful sunlight in your photos also. Please let me know if this video helped you in the comments below. Also, if there is anything else specific you would like me to talk about here in this channel, please drop me a line down here so I can consider recording a new video to try to help you out. And besides all of that, if I helped you today, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, because that will help me a whole lot and I will be super whooper happy. And that is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching me and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!